This one is over there.
Even this one,
and we work on that thing in you. Kakito, medicable compound milk. I warm up the motor.
is it your water?
No, it's my own.
I call the number. My name is Engineer Musa Shuaib, the AGMT of Abuja operation. So we have this problem getting to 2 years now, where the IBB Golf Course management was trying to clear the canal here and it damaged the 132kV conductor serving Katampe-Central Area Line 1. Hello, bro. How are you? Where are you? Put your office away. Line 1 has been out for a long time. So line 2, which is close to line 1, side by side, the cable are laid side by side. So in order to avoid any shock, to check out any induction, we have to knock out line 2. So now knocking out line 2 now enable the expatriate now severe the defective part of the line 1 conductor, underground conductor. We have 2 places, we're here and that is behind the IBB Golf Course and the Millennium Park. When we do that, we now quickly restore back line 2. Then the work continues.
You need the cable too. Okay, both now. And look here, it's okay or not? Okay. Stop. Okay, go. Wait. It's
coming, huh?
Get it directly in plastic. Okay. Go. Stop. It's okay.
Open the plastic for me.
Yes. Are we good? Leave the cable.
Leave the cable up. Or leave this one too.
So. Stop. Okay. Good.